What if everything you were taught about money is incomplete? From the day we enter school, we're taught how to solve equations, memorize historical dates, and pass exams. But almost no one teaches us how money really works. We graduate knowing how to find the area of a triangle, yet many of us have no idea how to build wealth, manage debt, or make our money grow. Have you ever wondered why? The truth is, becoming financially successful isn't just about how much money you earn, it's about how you think about money. That's the psychology of money, and it quietly shapes every financial decision you make. Imagine two people who earn the same salary. One is always broke by the end of the month, while the other steadily builds savings and investments. The difference isn't intelligence. It isn't luck. It's mindset. Most people see money as something to spend. Wealthy people often see money as a tool that can create more money. That's a completely different way of thinking. Another lesson schools rarely teach is delayed gratification. We live in a world that encourages instant rewards. Buy now. Pay later. Upgrade your phone. Chase the latest trends. But financially successful people often do the opposite. They sacrifice today's small pleasures to build tomorrow's bigger opportunities. They understand that every dollar spent is a dollar that can no longer work for them. Fear also plays a powerful role. Many people avoid investing because they're afraid of losing money. Yet they never realize that doing nothing also has a cost. Inflation quietly reduces the value of cash over time. While your money sits still, prices continue to rise. Another hidden truth is that your income alone will never guarantee financial freedom. Many people earn high salaries and still struggle financially because their lifestyle grows as fast as their income. Every raise becomes a bigger house, a newer car, or more expensive habits. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it traps countless people in a cycle of always needing more. The psychology of money teaches something different. Live below your means. Save consistently. Invest patiently. Avoid unnecessary debt. And most importantly, think long-term instead of chasing quick rewards. Wealth is usually built through thousands of small, smart decisions repeated over many years, not through one lucky break. The goal isn't to look rich. It's to become financially secure. Money should buy freedom, not stress. It should give you choices, not chains. So the next time you earn money, don't ask yourself, what can I buy? Ask a better question, how can this money improve my future? That single change in thinking could transform your financial life. Because in the end, the biggest difference between people who struggle with money and those who build lasting wealth isn't how much they earn, it's how they think.